Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You signed into the correct account. Now act. Open YouTube, tap your profile, then choose Purchases and Memberships so you see active subscriptions. Once you see YouTube Premium, select the subscription and press Cancel Membership. Do this early in the billing cycle if you want to avoid another charge. The service usually runs until the period ends. Make sure to read the cancellation confirmation on screen so you know whether you keep benefits until the current paid day. Once done canceling on YouTube, check Linked Billing. Open Google Pay or Payments. Google.com to confirm the recurring charge is stopped. If you're on a family plan, you may need the family manager to remove you or end the entire plan. Also, verify other accounts on phones and tablets. Sometimes people have multiple Google accounts with active subscriptions. Make sure to remove any saved payment method if you don't want accidental resubscription. These steps prevent unexpected charges and cleanly sever the finish by confirming the cancellation email and revisiting Purchases and Memberships to see the updated status. That proves it stopped. If you canceled soon after a charge and meet eligibility, request a refund through Google Play or YouTube Billing. Sign out and back in on devices to refresh access. Uninstall the YouTube app only if you want a clean slate. If cancellation fails, try switching accounts, clearing app cache, or contacting Google support. Those steps usually resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.